Welcome to Simple Fresh Flavors with Emily. Today I'm going to show you a trick I've been using recently to cut down on food waste. If you're anything like me, you go to the grocery store at the beginning of the week, you're having your meal plan, you have your list, and then Thursday, Friday rolls around and you haven't followed it whatsoever. You end up with a bunch of rotting veggies in your crisper. So I found a way to roast frozen veggies. Now, by no means is this better than a raw, fresh veggie, but you won't feel bad if you somehow get sidetracked off of your plan, because the veggies will still be in your freezer, they'll still be good, and you can use them for a later date. So let's get started. I start by putting a lined baking sheet in an oven that's been preheated to 450 degrees. Leave the sheet in the oven for 20 minutes. To 20 ounces of frozen vegetables, add a quarter cup olive oil, half a cup Parmesan cheese, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir well to combine. Get everything well coated. Remove the baking sheet from the oven and add the frozen vegetables. Make sure they're in a single layer. If crowded, they'll steam and not roast. So here they are. I took them out of the oven, let them cool completely. Just put them in this dish, which is my family and I tonight. So it was no prep work, really just tossing some stuff together, throwing it in the oven, and done. And I didn't have to worry about wasting any fresh vegetables. But I will tell you that these do taste just as good as the fresh veggies, just as crispy as if I had done all this myself. The parm and the garlic is really good together. It's sort of salty, umami flavor. It's so good. So if you like what you saw today, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and a follow for more simple, fresh flavors. Bye.